Siacoin holder, I have two good news for all Siacoin holder, my brother. Absolutely, the current condition is going to be very bad. Therefore, you need some good news, my brother. Siacoin is completely fails down, and the current condition is absolutely going to be very bad. All crypto market is very badly dumps down, my brother. But definitely, every stick channel is give you very good news, my friends, today. So kindly don't skip any second of this video and understand what I tell you. Absolutely be predicate. Also in this video, I also give you my opinion to just selling time, holding time, or buying time. So exactly the video is going to be very important now, my brother. The last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here this time the change occur. Minus 14.16% they fails down just only in the last 24 hours, and the price is 0.019779 USD dollar. So definitely they will go a very good, my friends, very good move. But after this, you can see after this move, you can see just in only in the last I think 4 to 5 hours, my friend, it go, my friends, so they fails down very fastly. 6 hours ago, my friend, let's see. So you can see here after this fail, they also ready for the moon. They also take a very good jump. It's mean to upcoming time they move upward. Let's see, my brother, the last 1 hour chart too, it's going to be positive. Yes, exactly, this is good news, my friends. Congratulations everyone, this is one good news. Second one good news also remaining, my friends, so I will tell you the second news. But let's see, my friend, the first good news, as you can see, my friend, they're starting moving upwards. So congratulations everyone to they starting moving upward. Definitely it's a short jump, but I hope in upcoming times they will take a very high jumps. Now 1.17% they moving upward, and the price has come to 0.16 USD dollar, 0.016 USD dollar. I hope in upcoming time they will hit 0.1 USD dollar just in only, my friend, at the end of month. Absolutely at the end of month, every cryptocurrencies at the end of month moving like a rocket, and they will hit the highest point. So let's see, my brother, but kindly don't sell it, hold it. And absolutely remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, please research personally. If you take any decision, sell, hold, or buy, research personally. But I just give you advice, my brother. All right, come to the second good news, my friend. The second good news is that, my friends, I do a giveaway, my friends. I do a giveaway of Siacoin when you complete by 10,000 subscribers. Just 10,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers needed, my friend. So kindly do it, man. Just do it. Just hit, my friends, 10,000 subscribers. I do a giveaway, my friend, of Shiba of Siacoin, my friend. So let's see to when you complete, then absolutely I make a special video for that. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos.